Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to start the new topic because in the same chapter, some natural phenomena, we have completed one phenomena that was lightning. Now, the next phenomena, that is earthquake. It is also one of the natural phenomena which is more dangerous. We can say the earthquake is more dangerous than the lightning because in the beginning of chapter also I mentioned the earthquake is more dangerous because it starts from the interior of earth and its time of occurrence, place of occurrence and intensity of occurrence cannot be predicted. That's why it is more dangerous. Before going into this earthquake, we must know some the basic facts about the interior of earth surface. Because the earth, it is the spherical one, and it consists of different material inside the earth. The earth, it was formed millions of years ago. Approximately the age of earth, it was estimated that before 4500 approximately million years ago the earth was formed, but the evidences shows that it is approximately about that 3800 million years ago. So that was history. So once the earth was formed, in the beginning it was like a spherical body, and the spherical body, it consists of many kind of minerals and other materials, that all the heavy and light materials, metals present inside the earth. After the long time that the materials were settled down, during the process of settling down of all the materials, the heavy materials, they are settled at the center, that is bottom of the earth, and then some lighter materials. After that, at the topmost layer, a lightest materials were deposited. Because of it, the three layers of earth was formed. The outermost layer, it is the in the solid form. It is in the solid form, right? Otherwise, we can say it is the solidified rock, and that cool solidified rock is known as crust. It is known as crust. And then inside that, below that crust, we have another layer known as mantle. It is mantle. In the mantle, the material is in the molten form, is in the molten state. That because of that the temperature at this layer is very high, approximately above 3500 degrees Celsius, and somewhat less pressure, right? Due to the high temperature and less pressure, the material in the mantle is in the molten form, right? Then coming to the innermost layer. This is innermost layer, which is known as the core of the earth. In the core is also divided into two parts. inner core, outer core. But now at this level we are defining only the core. The core is the innermost part of the earth in which the matter is in the solid state. Though the temperature is high, approximately above 4000 degrees Celsius, above 4000 degrees Celsius, because of the high pressure, high temperature and also high pressure, that is approximately 200 atmospheric pressure. Because of the high temperature and high pressure, the matter is in the core in the solid state. This is how the earth is formed. This the differentiation of the earth into core, mantle and the crust is after the settlement of all the materials. And then coming to the crust part, the crust, it is in this the matter is in the solid state. Otherwise we can say it is the solidified rock. Solidified rock. But the crust is not made up of a single rock. It is not made up of single rock. Right? The crust is made up of fragmented rocks. That means number of rocks present on the crust. And all the rocks that the fragment are continuously moving on the earth's crust. They are not at rest. Now we will discuss only the crust part, because interior part, it is not necessary for us at this level. Suppose this is the earth surface. Below the earth surface we have the crust, and the depth of crust is approximately measured as up to near about 40 to 50 kilometer. The crust is approximately up to the depth of 40 to 50 kilometer. And this crust is made up of number of rocks. The rocks are also in different nature. That is not required for this topic. So all the rocks inside the earth surface are continuously moving from one place to another place. The crust, it is made up of number of rocks. For this we have the evidence, that is, we have the number of land masses on the earth surface, different continents, different land masses present on the earth surface. If we see the globe, then we have the different continents at different places. And if we imagine that all the